All right, welcome back to Dr. Moses' channel. On previous episodes, I talked about the 7 group of medication that can lead to constipation. So if you are suffering from chronic constipation, I think this video is going to help you. And on today's episode, I want to talk about the natural remedies that will help with your chronic constipation. Most people with constipation end up taking medications that are prescribed by physicians, and most of this medication, your gut can get used to them and they no longer work. And so people have tried many things. They go to the doctors, they give them a lot of these high stimulants that does not help anymore, and people battle constipation. And so today's episode, I want to talk about the 5 things that they are natural products that if you use them have been proven. There have been a lot of randomized controlled trials on these products. And so using them will help you ease your bowel and to help you overcome chronic constipation. The first one is dry prunes. Dry prunes. Now, you don't have to use the prune juice because the prune juice itself does not have the substance that is in dry prunes in relieving you from constipation. Now, because prune has high fiber content and also a substance called sorbitol, they help with a laxative effect. In fact, in 2021, there was a random controlled trial, and this has been published in PubMed, and I'll leave the link here below. And they found out that prune was very safe as compared to psyllium in treating chronic constipation. In fact, psyllium actually had people having gas and bloating sensation. The side effect on psyllium was so bad that those who took psyllium versus those who took prunes, the complaint of the psyllium group was a bloating sensation and a gassy sensation that they felt. But the people who took the dry prunes did not have any of these side effects, and they had very good bowel movement, and it relieved them of their chronic constipation. So the next time you see a dry prune, that is your safe haven to help you ease constipation. The second one is golden kiwi fruit. Golden kiwi fruit. In fact, they say that if you take 2 golden kiwi fruit per day, it will relieve you of constipation. Why? Because this contains high fiber and also contains an enzyme called actinidine, and this enzyme helps move the bowel, cause movement of the bowel, and therefore increase the frequency of your stool movement, and therefore relieve you of constipation. And I'm talking about golden kiwi, the kiwi that is very yellow or golden. That is where the trial was done. And there is a link in this video where you can go and read on the trial. So that's going to help you if you're suffering from constipation. You got to be consistent with it. That's how you see your results. The third group of substances that can help you with constipation is flaxseed. Flaxseed. Now, when you have grounded flax seeds in a powder form, and you take a little bit of a spoon and you mix it with the water and you drink it daily. You can add a little honey to it if you want for taste. You drink it about 3 times a day daily. You will relieve yourself of constipation. So it's so important that you do these things if you are suffering from constipation. Flax seed, when it's grounded, take the powder, put in a glass of water, warm water. Like I said, we can add honey to taste, and this has been found to relieve people of constipation without the side effect that medication has. And again, there's a big controlled trial, randomized controlled trial, one done in 2019, the other one was done in 2020. And when people who use flaxseed got relief from their chronic constipation. The next one is ginger. Yes, ginger. If you do a ginger tea or drink ginger, this can also help with peristalsis and help move your gut, and they can help you with constipation. Now, the caveat is that if you're on certain medication that can interact with ginger, you don't want to take that. The last but not the least, you can't believe it. You want to know what it is daily exercise. In fact, in 2019, there was a review, and the review was that people who had brisk walk, just walk daily, brisk walking daily, had a relief from their constipation. Not going to the gym to work out or doing any other exercises, only brisk walking was found to be very helpful in people who had constipation. So hopefully this information has been helpful to you, and so that if you're suffering from constipation, these will help you relieve of the constipation without you getting used to the medication or having a side effect that other medication will cause you. So if you like this information, I want you to share with your friends who are suffering from constipation. And also, you should give me a like and subscribe to this channel where I bring you daily information or weekly information that will help you with your health. And also, leave me a comment if some of these things have helped you in the past so that our readers can benefit from it. Until then, I say stay well.